An Introduction to Right Triangle Trigonometry. Core Vocabulary. Right triangle. A right triangle is a triangle in which one angle is a right angle. So whenever you have a 90-degree angle, that's an example of right triangle. Hypotenuse. The opposite of the right angle. So whenever you have a right angle, the opposite of it is the hypotenuse. And hypotenuse is the longest side of all the sides of the right triangle. Legs. These are the two remaining sides of the triangle. Acute angle. An angle that measures between 0 and 90 degrees. Pythagorean theorem. In every right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the two other sides. Our formula will be a square plus b square equals c square, where a is the side of the triangle, b is another side of the triangle, and c will be the hypotenuse. Reciprocal. Reciprocal is the inverse of a number, or you just flip it to get the reciprocal. Let's name the sides of the right triangles. The longest side will be the hypotenuse, and we have the two legs. As you can see, we have a symbol here. This is a Greek symbol called the theta. The opposite side of the theta is called opposite, and the other side is called adjacent. There are 6 different trigonometric ratios. We have sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta. We identify the ratio of our sine theta by getting the opposite side over the hypotenuse. The ratio of cosine theta is the adjacent side of the theta over hypotenuse. The ratio of tangent theta is the opposite side over adjacent. We can call this as SOHCAHTOA, which means sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent is opposite over adjacent. The 3 other trigonometric ratios are called cosecant theta, secant theta, and cotangent theta. These 3 other trigonometric ratios are the reciprocal of sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta. The ratios of cosecant theta is the opposite or the reciprocal of sine theta, which is hypotenuse over opposite. The ratio of secant theta is the reciprocal of cosine theta, which is hypotenuse over adjacent. The ratio of cotangent theta is the reciprocal of tangent theta, which is adjacent over opposite.